So hello fellow English learners, this is Glenn, and in today's video we're going to be looking at verb tense. So verb tense is actually what you need to learn when you actually speak English. So here I have 3 examples, and basically the base verb is the to go, to become, to dance. So we always put to at the front of the verb when we're actually first learning the actual verb, and then we go on to actually learn the other ways of representing that for the past, for the present, and the future. Future. So for the past means we have done that verb in the past. So here we have to go, I have gone, or someone else has gone. So when we use have gone, we actually don't use that verb for another person. With have, we use has gone for another person. So this one would say I have gone, or someone else, they have gone. Or if you want to put a person's name in front of it, like Jimmy has gone. So generally this is for non-specific forms except for yourself, and this one is when you put a proper noun in front of it. Proper noun means an item is actually described. So a car is a common noun, but my name's Glenn. Glenn is a proper noun. And then we have the present, am going. So we put am at the front, and we always put ing for the present, for most verbs anyway. And as you can see with the past, we also put an ne, and for different verbs, for to become, we change the o to an a, and for to dance, we put an ed, or we can use was dancing. That would be a past present tense, but it gets too complicated, so we won't worry about that. But basically what you need to do is you need to actually learn all these individually. There's actually no systematic way except for present, put ing, and so you remove the e, put the ing. This one, go, doesn't have e, so you just put ing. But with the past, it changes quite a lot. The present changes, or depending on the actual verb. For the future, you will see I put will in front of them, because I will go, I will become, I will dance. It means I will do something in the future. As you can see, the actual verb does not change itself. So that is basically how we learn to actually learn verbs in English. You just basically have to learn each word. So you need to learn all these together and keep on learning them until you know them off by heart. That's how we learn it when we're in primary school, and there is actually no other way around it. It's just the same as learning your language that you learnt first. In primary school, you had to learn each word by itself. So if you're having trouble with verbs, break it down. Just take one verb, learn the past, present, and future, and don't worry about the others. Just learn that one, and then learn the others as you become proficient in the actual verb that you're actually learning. Anyway, this is where I'll leave the video. Leave a comment down below on what you think it is. I'm just trying different types of videos. Just see how it goes. Anyway, thank you very much and have an awesome English learning time. Thank you and goodbye.